In this video, we'll continue building our interactive 3D greenhouse monitoring system using Three.js and the FlowFuse Node-RED dashboard. In this 3D visualization, most of the controlled devices are represented through animations. For example, the ventilation turbines and circulation fans rotate whenever they are turned on, making the digital twin feel much more realistic and intuitive. In this part, I'll add another useful feature: maintenance information for each device. Whenever you move the mouse over an interactive device, the cursor changes into a hand icon. This indicates that the object contains additional information and can be clicked. Once you click on the device, a maintenance pop-up appears, displaying important information such as the last preventive maintenance date, the next scheduled preventive maintenance, and other maintenance details. This allows operators and maintenance teams to quickly access equipment information directly from the 3D visualization, without switching to another application. This approach not only makes the dashboard more interactive but also helps integrate operational monitoring and maintenance management into a single digital twin interface. The information displayed in this pop-up can be retrieved directly from a database, which means the maintenance data is always up to date and reflects the latest records. This also makes it possible to integrate the 3D dashboard with a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS. Because the data is loaded dynamically, any changes made in the maintenance system can be reflected immediately in the 3D visualization without modifying the model itself. Of course, maintenance information is just one example. You can easily extend this pop-up to display many other types of data depending on your application. For example, you could show the current operating status, running hours, alarm history, spare parts information, equipment specifications, inspection checklists, sensor readings, energy consumption, or even live production data. By combining real-time operational data with interactive 3D visualization, you can create a much more informative and user-friendly dashboard. Instead of navigating through multiple screens or software applications, operators can simply click on any piece of equipment to access all the information they need in one place. This is the Node-RED flow for this project. It is very similar to the one from the previous video, with only a few modifications. First, for the device information, I'm currently storing the data in a flow context variable. In a real implementation, you can replace this with a database. The overall workflow is straightforward. When a 3D object is clicked, the template node sends a payload. Besides being used to display the historical chart on the monitor, the payload is also used to identify the selected object or device and retrieve its corresponding information. The data is then sent back to the template node, where it is displayed in the pop-up label. Next, let's take a look at the template node. Most of the code is similar to the previous video, so I'll only focus on the new additions. A pop-up label has been added to display maintenance information for the selected device. When the user clicks on a supported object, the application sends a request to Node-RED and waits for the device information to be returned. Once the data is received, the pop-up is automatically updated to display details such as the part name, installation date, last preventive maintenance, and next preventive maintenance. The label is also synchronized with the 3D object, so it always stays positioned above the selected device, even while the camera is moving or rotating. If you'd like to get the complete Node-RED flow, source code, 3D model, and the full step-by-step tutorial, you can find them on Gumroad. They're available as a bundle, which includes all previous tutorials in this series, starting from part 1 and continuing with every new release. The best part is that this bundle will continue to grow over time. So once you've purchased it, you'll receive future parts as they're added at no extra cost. Or, if you're only interested in the greenhouse monitoring project, you can purchase the dedicated Gumroad package for this tutorial. It includes the complete Node-RED flow, source code, and the 3D model used in this video. You'll find links to both the complete bundle and the greenhouse package in the video description below. Feel free to choose the option that best fits your needs. Thanks for your support, and enjoy building your own digital twin. In this tutorial, we've built an interactive 3D greenhouse digital twin using Three.js and the FlowFuse Node-RED dashboard. We added realistic animations for the greenhouse equipment, displayed live sensor data, and implemented interactive maintenance information that appears when a device is selected. As you've seen, this approach goes far beyond a traditional 2D dashboard. It provides a more intuitive way to monitor equipment, visualize real-time conditions, and access important information directly from the 3D environment. I hope this project gives you new ideas for building your own digital twin applications, whether for manufacturing, warehouses, smart buildings, agriculture, or any other Industry 4.0 solution. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below about what you'd like to see in future tutorials. Your feedback helps me create even better content for this series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.